Hello, good evening. So far we were learning vowel sounds in reading practice. There are 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs. I have completed 17 sounds and today we are going to learn 18th sound, 19th one and 20th sound. I am completing vowel sounds with this video. Okay, so read and practice all the 20 videos so that you will catch the difference in reading. Do you understand? Shall we read now? The sixth sound diphthong is, the letter is EE or EA and the sound is ear. Shall we read? Ear. The sound is ear. Okay. Dear, dear, rear, near, fear, tear, gear, sear, sheer, mere, jeer, steer, here, real. Shall we go to the next sound? The letter is EA or AR and the sound is A, air, air, bear, chair, care, fair, fair, man, rare, tear, tear, dare, stare, stare, share, pair, pair, vary. Okay. Shall we continue with the eighth diphthong? Over. The sound is over. The letter is OU or UR. Shall we read now? Over. P. Over. Okay. Over. Our. Ourselves. Pure. Purity. Sheer. During. Queer. Queer. Tour. Tourist. Fluorin, fluorescence. Read and practice and catch the sounds. Thank you.